think we're going around the roundabout and then going in back there.
Fingers crossed, right?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour. I got Eric here from RacingRamFam.
Hey guys, our left legs are broken from sitting in so much traffic.
Yeah, so we've been waiting for about an hour to get into Cars and Coffee here. So we got...
And we're not even in.
We're not even in it. No. We had to park in the parking garage. So, but we got the Viper here. Eric's SRT-10 Ram. He's got the hood back on and his wastegate exit coming out the fender. Looking sharp.
Yeah, but I wish I could be in the show and I could have my hood pop and me and Ryan could be by each other and showing off, but
I know.
We're stuck in a parking lot.
So you guys probably already saw Josh's Mustang earlier in the video. We're gonna go meet back up with him so you guys can meet him. And we're gonna go just check out some cool cars. So let's hit it. All right guys, so change of plans. We decided to move parking spots into the show. Eric's drawing a crowd with his turbo as usual.
Trying.
Gonna check that thing out again. So if you don't subscribe to RacingRamFam, go do that now.
Terrible.
Yeah.
Over the line.
Hey, yeah, you'll have to work on your parking skills.
I gotta work on my backup.
You got all excited, so many parking spots, you had to take two. So we're gonna do some walking around. Glad to be in the show now instead of in the parking garage. So hope you guys enjoy the video today. Gonna be just more cars, so hope you enjoy it. Looks familiar. This thing looks super clean though, holy smokes. Steering wheel looks almost brand new. Love the yellow, super exotic looking. just finished up the show. Had to grab a bite to eat here at Five Guys, but Eric and I made it all the way down to, I don't even know where we are.
Shakopee?
Yeah, it's like an hour away from where we live, but it was a good show. It could have been organized a little better for traffic, because we sat for like an hour trying to get in.
We got our left leg workouts in.
I know. Clutch leg is gonna be sore. But
we did get into the show, so that was good, but I was trying to get in the show at first, and they made us park in the parking ramp way far back, and then we go back there and they're like, oh, you can come in, and I was like, well, what was the point of waiting that long?
yeah, so hopefully it's a little more organized next time, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Eric and I are parked way over there. We ran into Monoxide in his red Charger over there. Harris, go follow his Instagram. He's the one that shot the cool shots of my Viper in the snow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe to this guy, Racing Ram Fam. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll talk to you next time.
Bye-bye.